Hello everyone, guys. We're seeing crazy dumps in a lot of the altcoins right now. Like for example, Cardano went from 38 cents all the way down to 20 cents. XRP has gone down 10%. We're saying, for example, I don't know, this right here, Decentraland is going down by, 18%, which is really bad. I mean, it looks very painful, and Bitcoin is also dumping a little bit, but not as bad as many altcoins. So what is happening, and what is the reason for this dump? And guys, I know it looks bad. I know it looks something that, people are starting to panic in these kinds of situations. But what I'm gonna share with you in this video is gonna give you a insight as to why this is happening and whether I'm actually using this as an opportunity to DCA into things like, for example, Chainlink, into things like Solana, Cardano, etc. And what is the reason behind it? Because it looks like it's very bad. But what we need to take a look before I tell you like what it is and what is happening, let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance, and we'll quickly learn. Look, so we're saying a huge spike in Bitcoin dominance. So people are going from altcoins into Bitcoin. So they're not leaving crypto. They're not getting out of altcoins into dollars. They're going into Bitcoin, into maybe stable coins, yes, but mostly into Bitcoin. We can see right here that Bitcoin dominance is spiking. So this gives us an interesting insight as to what is actually happening on the inside of the market. So, but fundamentally, a lot of people think that this got something to do with, US regulators, freezing Binance's assets and asking the court to freeze Binance's assets, and just this general SEC crackdown. And the answer is as follows. So we've seen here, we've seen SEC going after Binance, after Coinbase, and Coinbase has reassured us, said that it has no plans to shut down staking or delist tokens, and that, we're going to be standing united and strong. And then one of the latest things that we've seen was banks cutting off Binance's access to US banking system, well, for Binance US. So now with Binance US, you won't be able to withdraw your money into fiat, so fiat on and off ramps are being taken away from Binance US. And I told you guys, I think Binance overall is fine. It's just that, this tug of war is just ridiculous. So if I were you, I would be using an exchange that doesn't have any stupid FUD about it. As I told you before, with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 of initial deposit bonuses with Bybit. And Bybit is safe, it's huge. I personally trade on Bybit. It doesn't have any stupid FUD about it. It's licensed and has proof of reserves, and it's like number 3, one of the biggest out there anyway. So, and they don't have any stupid FUD like Binance. And you can claim up to like ridiculous bonuses in real cash. And also, if you deposit more than $100, you'll get an actual entry into Audemars Piguet watch giveaway. All information is in my Discord, also linked down in the description of this video. And you get crazy trading education. You can pause the video right here and take a look at what bonuses you're getting. And also, all deposit users get access to my Crypto Signals community for absolutely free, for lifetime, for free. There's 40,000 traders in there, and we post my trades and the trades of my team, link down in the description of this video. So join Bybit right now and don't deal with this stupid FUD of Binance, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. So yes, the latest thing for Binance is this right here, cutting it off from the fiat on-ramps and off-ramps. And everybody's saying, oh, Thomas, this is the reason why everything is dumping. But that's not the reason. Reason is right here. Reason is Robinhood. Robinhood is going to delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana tokens. And potentially, they're going to be delisting more. Everything that Gary Gensler has declared as security is now going to be potentially delisted by Robinhood. And this is what a lot of people are worried about. And this is what makes them scared. And the reason why this is such a big problem, and the reason why this has actually caused a big dump that we're seeing right now in the altcoins is because crypto assets like ADA, Matic, and Solana will be, well, number one, will be delisted on Robinhood on June 27th. And this is the most important part of this whole reason as to what is happening. Users who still have ADA, Matic, and Solana in their Robinhood accounts, pay attention right now, on June 27th, will have those assets automatically sold on the market. So it's a forced sale, forced closure, forced liquidation. So, and then, it's going to be automatically converted into dollars, whatever, on Robinhood. And the thing is that on Robinhood, if you take a look at what this guy has posted here, that Robinhood is holding a shit ton of Solana, a lot of ADA, and a lot of Matic. Total assets like $600 million, which is the reason why this has caused mass panic. And if you pay attention, you will quickly understand that Solana, for example, like crazy drop all the way down to, again, $12. So like actually erasing all the gains since the last drop, which was the FTX. Then also ADA. You will see that these ones, USDT, ADA, and Matic, are the biggest ones to suffer. And I mean, this drop is ridiculous. And certainly other coins, like for example, this one right here, BitTorrent also dropped, and Optimism token 17%, and also Uniswap has gone down 14%, and Cake. But the thing is that the ones that suffered the most or the ones that are going to be actually delisted. And why did others drop as well? I mean, because it's just spreading huge panic as to, if Robinhood is going along with SEC, unfortunately. I mean, what can you do about it? I guess, to be honest, Robinhood isn't just a crypto exchange. That's why they are really careful. They don't want to, mess with the SEC. And like, they have a different situation than, for example, Coinbase. So, and certainly this is just causing mass panic and mass hysteria. And that's why also Bitcoin is going down a little bit as well. But now let's get to the topic. And you can see that there has been some volume here as well. Let's go to the daily chart. Oh, actually, no, look at it. The volume is, again, still quite small. So, and right now we're actually still even technically hovering above the most important support, which is $25,000. So we didn't even break that. So is it really that bad? Now getting to the catalyst of this whole video, understanding that it's because of the Robinhood, because of the fear that other exchanges might follow suit, and that there will be some forced closure, forced sale. So in my personal humble opinion, this right here has got nothing, like this stuff right here, has got nothing to do with the fundamentals of these tokens. Not Cardano, not Matic, not Solana, any of them. So if you really believe that these are the tokens that you really believe in, you DCA into, the fundamentals of these tokens did not change. And guys, remember that on the 13th of June, we will be seeing the release of these documents in the XRP case. And remember that if XRP wins, and we've spoken about this, there is a 3% chance, only a 3% chance of them actually outright losing to SEC. It's going to probably look more like the case of Library versus SEC, where the court ruled that maybe it was a security in the beginning, but then it actually was sufficiently decentralized and became not a security. So if this is going to happen with XRP, then all of this is going to be nonsense. All of this is going to be evaporated. All of this is going to be erased, and therefore all of these losses that we have right here, paper losses, actually will be recouped very fast, instantaneously. So that's why SEC is bringing a lot of volatility, a lot of fear, but it does not change the fundamentals of this industry, of these cryptocurrencies, of Bitcoin, anything else. So therefore, for me, I'm also holding some, obviously, ADA, Matic, Solana. Am I selling right now because of this? The answer is no. I could be wrong, but as to what I'm seeing right now, this is just a buying opportunity of these tokens, if you believe in them. Again, not financial advice, but nothing else, because this is just technical, short-term fear because of SEC. But if you guys are smart, you will understand that this is, even if there's going to be potential more downside, so be it. As I've said before, we are DCAing, and this is what my belief is right here as well. So my long trade on Bitcoin, I was really hoping for it to move to the upside from here, but because of this Robinhood putting this stick into our wheel right now, well, you cannot predict as to what, some entity is going to do, and therefore causing us to go to the downside. I'm still waiting for it to hit at least 25K for me to add to my long trade that I have over on Bybit, and subsequently at 23K if we actually do go down that low. So that's why I'm just DCAing into it, getting ready for some profit. So guys, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, manage the FUD, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.